Why, welcome! It's Kat right here. So today the project we are doing and I will be showing you is we are bringing in some gravel in this area. Over here we have some gravel. So we'd like to move some gravel into this area, but I need to do a little prepping work. We need to build a small little hill over there so the gravel can't go into the grass. And then I need to build the dirt up right here so the gravel doesn't go into the ditch. So we just got to do the prep work, then we'll bring the gravel. Okay, the first thing we got to do over here is dump the dirt. Got a ridge right here I've already started dumping dirt into. There's a little ditch I'm going to fill in so it's not so bumpy. But I already put some dirt right here. Now I just need a little dirt over there. Okay, the dump cart is all full, so let's just move it over. So here we got a small little hole you can't really see, but it's got a dip there. Over there we got a bump. Over there we got a hole. This kind of goes up this way. So I will just be kind of shoveling this, trying to flatten this out as much as possible. So when we bring the pea gravel, we can just lay it flatly over the top of all this. Okay, we're at the Geneva Pit. Laramie, Josh's brother, is getting the pea gravel in his trailer and going to be dumping it into our trailer, or I should say the front loader. This is the Geneva Pit, where Josh's brother works. Okay, so we're back by the barn. We are here with the truck and trailer and we are unloading all this pea gravel.
Good?
Yep, looks great. Yep, looks good.
A little better, but not bad for first try.
My dad has the tractor and he's just moving all of these gravel rocks around, and then we'll take it with the rakes and make it even flatter and smooth it out. We had fine-tuned all the dirt, laid it all flat, made it a little bit wider, and my dad came with the tractor, flattened it out as best he could. Now we're going to be fine-tuning it with the shovel and the metal rake. Because with the tractor, you can't quite get it so fine-tuned, you can't get it as close to the barn without like hurting the barn. So really, we gotta do the rest of this with the hand tools. You can see Josh has already been moving a lot of this. Where he is digging, it is quite quite thick, so we can move a lot of it over here closer to the barn. Might even move some of it into that area if we have enough, but we'll have to obviously move a lot of that wood, but I'm sure we can find somewhere for it while we move the stones or the pea gravel. So we'll move all this when and this afternoon it is supposed to rain a little bit. The sun right now looks pretty good, but we could get this moved within a couple, like an hour or so, at least do most of it. Then it can rain and we'll be done. Okay, so I've taken some of the gravel from over there, filled it in the cart. Now I'm going to be moving it right here. Just because right here when we first brought the gravel, it just isn't quite as thick. So we are all done with our project. We got all the gravel in here, we fine-tuned it with our rakes. Remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.